Hello dear students, I would like to start today's class with a quote. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿನ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಸಂಪತ್ತು ಇವೆಲ್ಲವುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕದಿಬಹುದು, ಆದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿನ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಯಾರೂ ಸಹ ಕದಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳ್ಳತನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. Students, in the previous class we learned how to subtract 2-digit and 3-digit numbers without borrowing. Right, so in this class let us learn how to subtract 1 digit from 2-digit numbers with borrowing. Let us learn by solving problems. 14 minus 6 is equal to how much? We have to subtract 6 from this 14. And in this 14 there are 1 10 and 4 ones. Right, so 14 can be written 10 plus 4. Students, we cannot subtract 6 from this 4. Right, why? Because 6 is greater than this 4, that's why we have to subtract this 6 from this 10. 10 minus 6, how much students? 10 minus 6, that is 4. And we have to add this 4 to the 4 that is in 1's place. Okay, 4 plus 4, that is 8. When we subtract 6 from this 14, we get 8. 12 minus 8 is equal to how much? Here we have to subtract 8 from this 12. So in this 12 there are 1 10 and 2 ones. So we can split 12 as 10 plus 2. Here we cannot subtract 8 from this 2 because 8 is greater than this 2. That's why first we have to subtract this 8 from this 10. 10 minus 8, how much? 10 minus 8, that is 2. And this 2 should be added to this 2 which is in 1's place. So 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. We get 4 after subtracting 8 from this 12. In a class there are 17 students. Out of them 9 are girls. How many boys are there? ಒಂದು ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು 17 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ 17 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಹುಡುಗಿಯರಾದರೆ ಹುಡುಗರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 17. Number of girls, that is 9. We have to subtract 9 from this 17. In this 17 there are 1 10 and 7 ones. Right, we cannot subtract 9 from this 7, that's why we have to subtract this 9 from this 10. 10 minus 9, how much? That is 1. And this 1 should be added to the 7 which is in 1's place. 1 plus 7, we get 8. 1 plus 7, we get 8. The number of boys in that class is 8. Here we have to subtract 9 from this 15 using number line. For that, first we have to count 15 points on this number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I will draw line from 0 to 15. Then we have to subtract 9 from this 15. Right, for that we have to count 9 points back from this 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So from 15 we have to draw line to this 6. The point at which we stop, that is the answer. So 15 minus 9 that is equal to, here the point reaches to 6, so 15 minus 9 that is 6. Like this we can subtract numbers using number line. Here they already draw the lines, but we have to find out which numbers are used in this subtraction. Okay, let us find out first number. From 0 the line reaches to 13. So the first number is 13. To find out the second number, we have to count the points back from this 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we get 8 points back from this 13. And here the point reaches to 5. So answer is 5. Have you understand, students? Here we have to subtract 2-digit numbers. This is ones place and this is tens place. We have to subtract 28 from this 55. Students, in the subtraction first we have to subtract ones place. Okay, 5 minus 8. We cannot subtract 8 from this 5 because 8 is greater than this 5. That's why we have to borrow 1 10 from this 5 tens. Then 5 tens become 4 tens. And here 5 ones become 15 ones. Now subtract 8 from this 15. 15 minus 8 we get 7. And that 7 should be written in ones place. After completing ones place subtraction, then we have to subtract tens place. 4 minus 2, that is 2, and the 2 should be written in tens place. We get 27 after subtracting 28 from this 55. Okay, and here we have to subtract 27 from this 42. This is ones place and this is tens place. First we have to subtract ones place. 2 minus 7. 7 is greater than this 2. We cannot subtract 7 from this 2. That's why we have to borrow 1 10 from this 4 tens. Then 4 tens become 3 tens. And here 2 ones become 12 ones. Now subtract 7 from this 12, that is 5. And that 5 should be written in ones place. Then tens place subtraction, 3 minus 2, that is 1, and that 1 should be written in tens place. Like this we can subtract 2-digit numbers with borrowing. Lakshmi has 35 rupees. She spent 18 rupees. How much money is left with Lakshmi? ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿಯ ಬಳಿ 35 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇದೆ. ಈ 35 ರೂಪಾಯಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಳು 18 ರೂಪಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅವಳ ಬಳಿ ಉಳಿದಂತಹ ಹಣವೆಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 35 rupees. Money she spent, that is 18 rupees. This is ones place, this is tens place, right? Now we have to subtract ones place. 5 minus 8. We cannot subtract 8 from this 5. That's why we have to borrow 1 10 from this 3 tens. Here 3 tens become 2 tens. 5 ones become 15 ones. Subtract 8 from this 15 ones. 15 minus 8, that is 7, and that 7 should be written in ones place. Then tens place subtraction, 2 minus 1, that is 1, and that 1 should be written in tens place. We get 17. The amount which is left with Lakshmi, that is 17. ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿಯ ಬಳಿ ಉಳಿದಂತಹ ಹಣವೆಷ್ಟು? 17 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. Have you understand, students? I hope you all are clear about how to subtract 1 digit from 2 digits and also subtraction of 2 digits with borrowing.